Here's your Kickstarter gear. That fits in the groove of this piece of plastic. And you've got a clip, C-clip, a washer, a gear which moves. And then on the input side you've got a clip, a washer, and a spring. So you take all those apart and clean them. See if I can make that move for you. See how it goes up and down. See how that moves. Okay. So that's pretty straightforward. Okay, I found the dot. The dot does not line up with the hole. This surprises me, because I was sure that's what I saw. But there you see it. Those are the dots. Just can't be too careful. So you can see that dot, and I put a Sharpie line there. There's a dot, probably out of view, but there's a dot. Okay. See the line? See the hole? So that's how it looks in relation to the hole. Okay. So that's how it looks.